In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to an event in Google Calendar. Whether you want to include an agenda, meeting notes, or any other important document, this handy feature will help you keep everything organized in one place. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. If you aren't already signed in to your Google account, you'll want to do that first. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar view with any events you have scheduled for the day, week, or month. Now, to get started with attaching a file, you'll either need to create a new event or open an existing one. Let's say you're planning to create a new event. Go ahead and click on the date and time when you'd like your event to occur. You'll notice there's a field to enter event details right away, but for more detailed options, you want to click on More Options, which is typically found toward the bottom of this initial screen. This is where we can dive deeper and add those important attachments. Once you're in the Event Details pane, scroll to the bottom and look for the paperclip icon that says Add Attachment. This is where you can start the process of integrating your files. Click this icon and a new window will pop up, offering you two choices. You can either grab a file that's already in your Google Drive or upload a new file directly from your computer. If your document is parked on Google Drive, you can search for it by name in the interface provided, helping you quickly locate what you need. On the other hand, if it's stored locally on your computer, simply click on the Upload tab, drag and drop your file, or select it from your folders. Once you've chosen the correct file, click Select if it's from Google Drive, or Upload if you are pulling it from your computer. After your file is attached successfully, don't forget to hit the Save button to update the event with all the new information, including your attachment. Now, it's crucial to ensure that anyone who needs access to this file can view it. Google Calendar makes this step user-friendly. If your event has invited guests, a prompt will appear asking you about sharing permissions for the file. You have a few options here. You might choose anyone with the link if you want a broad set of people to have access, or you can select guests of this event to keep it more private and limited to just those invited. Remember, if you choose not to share, you can select Save Without Sharing. That's it. You've now successfully attached a file to your Google Calendar event, ensuring everyone has the information they need right at their fingertips. This will undoubtedly make planning and coordinating events smoother and more efficient. So give it a try next time you're setting up a meeting or event.